Order number 13, motion, approval of the mediated version of the Division of Revenue Bill, National Assembly Bill number 10 of 2025.
Majority Leader's Thursday statement. Yes.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. The clerk was in a rush. Honorable Speaker, pursuant to the provisions of Standing Order 44-2A, I rise to give the following statement on behalf of the House Business Committee, which met on Tuesday, 17 June 2025, to prioritize business for consideration during the week. Honorable Speaker, if you can protect me from Honorable Farah Maalim and Honorable KJ, they are very close to me. And this is why, Honorable Speaker, because members don't ordinarily listen to this statement, that is why you hear the Honorable Wamuchomba not being aware what business was being transacted in the week. So it is important.
Honorable Wamuchomba, just be courteous to your colleagues. He was not being rude. He just said you missed the point because people didn't listen. Order, Wamuchomba. It is out of order and indecent for a lady to tell another member, kwenda huko wewe. You should not behave like that. Order, Honorable Wamuchomba.
You know, Honorable Speaker, thank you for your protection. I was making this point not just for Honorable Wamuchomba's sake, for the sake of all members of Parliament and the country at large. Honorable Wamuchomba might have been here yesterday, but she clearly was not aware that the finance bill was being transacted on yesterday. We finished with debate on second reading the day before. We dealt with Committee of the Whole House yesterday, finalized, and you just put the question this afternoon. Therefore, Honorable Wamuchomba should just be courteous and pay attention to what goes on in the House better than what goes on out there. Honorable Speaker, with regard to business now scheduled for Tuesday next week, the House is expected to continue with consideration of the following bills, should they not be concluded today. The second reading of the County Public Finance Laws Amendment Bill, Senate Bill number 39 of 2023, the Virtual Asset Service Providers Bill of 2025, and the Kenya Institute of Primate Research Bill of 2024. Additionally, Honorable Speaker, debate will be undertaken on the following motions, some of which are listed in today's order paper. 1, consideration of the fourth generation revenue sharing formula for counties, which you made a communication on yesterday. 2 is consideration of Senate amendments to the National Disaster Risk Management Bill, National Assembly Bill number 24 of 2023, and resultant committee of the whole House. 3 is consideration of the performance audit report on the provision of services to persons with disabilities by the National Council for Persons with Disabilities. And 4, consideration of comprehensive economic partnership agreement between the Republic of Kenya and the United Arab Emirates. Honorable Speaker, in accordance with the provisions of Standing Order 44A, 5 and 6, I wish to convey that the Cabinet Secretary for Interior and National Administration, as you had directed, is scheduled to appear before the House on the afternoon of Wednesday, 25th June 2025, to respond to the following concerns raised by members regarding the circumstances surrounding the death of Mr. Albert Ojwang. In addition, the Cabinet Secretary will respond to the following questions. Question number 058 of 2025 by the member for Rarieda, the Honorable Otiende Amolo MP, regarding police brutality against peaceful protesters and unarmed civilians. 2, question number 059 of 2025 by the member for Nairobi County, the Honorable Esther Passaris MP, regarding the implementation of the body-worn cameras in the police force. And 3, question number 060 of 2025 by the member for Suba North, Honorable Millie Odhiambo Mabona MP, regarding the deaths of persons while in police custody. Honorable Speaker, as I conclude, I wish to remind members that the House is scheduled to proceed for a short recess next week. As such, members should note that the House may be required to sit longer or have additional sittings on some days to conclude priority business before proceeding on recess at the end of that week. Finally, Honorable Speaker, the House Business Committee shall reconvene again on Tuesday, 24th June 2025 to schedule business for the rest of the week. I now wish to lay this statement on the table of the House. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Thank you, Majority Leader. Next order.